Welcome to International Institute of Cosmetology. My name is Firuza Manapova and I'm a teacher of our 100-hour nail course at school. In our 100-hour nail course, we go over every single part of the industry, including and starting from the basic manicures, spa procedures, pedicures, and spa procedures for the pedicure. In our next step, we go over our gel applications and dip powder application, where we teach our students how to properly prepare natural nail plate for every single steps of this procedure. In our course, we'll also touch upon science part of the nail industry, and we learn nail anatomy, including the science of it, chemistry, and electricity, including the structure of the natural nail to bring up and level up our students for future competition or to becoming an educator.
Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna add the top coat and it will be so shiny and so pretty.
After completing our 100-hour nail course, our students not just only know how to do nails, but they also be able to open their own business and thrive in this beauty industry.